All right, so we have some type of basket here. Puck lights. Oh, now this is a cute little way to do like your bedside lighting. I love this idea. Cute and clever project to try out. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone that looks like they're going to be making over some type of vase. Going in with the spray. Oh, she used, wow. That actually looks like gold foil that she used here. Wow, this is crazy. Oh, this is beautiful. I love this piece. That is like the perfect shade of gold too. Very cute. Ooh, I love that pearl pumpkin. Me and this person definitely have this same type of style. Definitely my vibe. POV, love all the cute little stuff. So it looks like they're going to be painting this with some chalk paint. That's always the best kind of paint to work with, FYI. And they're doing some stenciling here, creating like a little brick effect. Oh, I feel like she gave this like a nice little antique-y feel. And it's a jewelry holder. That's cute. Nice way to display your jewelry. So then we have this thrifted lamp. Oh, wow. Okay, she really made over this lamp. I love watching these. It's so interesting to see like how they can be transformed. It's crazy. So she sanded it down to the wooden base. And then goes in with a nice wood stain here. That is beautiful. Is she really using paper for the top of the lampshade? Wow. That's pretty impressive. Wow, that looks absolutely amazing. And she did another one too here. That is really cool. Who would have thought that that was paper? That's insane. And then we have a nice little centerpiece DIY. So as you guys know, spring is on the horizon. So this would be a cute little Easter or spring DIY that you could try out. Looking at this makes me forget about the fact that just a week ago there was like ice all on the ground and it was snowing and below temperature freezing weather. This is just so beautiful. And then we move into this clay-based DIY. Now, if I had to guess, I'd say they're probably making some type of candle holder or a vase. Oh, they added two handles. Doing a nice little design there. Oh, okay. It's a nice little accessory holder. Very cute. Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.